short vloggy vlog, yeah! There. I got something today. I got something that I've wanted for a while. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh yes. Ah, the new one. The new one. Kinda creepy. So yes, if you don't know already, I love cat eggs. And yeah, I got her new book for my birthday, so I'm like, yeah. So Amazon Prime, if anybody is a fan of Amazon and you buy stuff on Amazon, which I like Amazon, I like buying things off Amazon, it's always nice, but don't go near Amazon Prime unless you want it. It is an evil place that will steal your money. Yes, it will. Luckily I've got my money back from, basically, they thought that I'd signed up for the damn thing, and they stole my money, and I had to ring the bank to find out who had taken it. And then I had to ring Amazon to find out, because the bank told me that it was Amazon, and then Amazon told me that basically I cancelled the thing, and they were like, oh well, you've done it and the money should reappear in two days, and I'm like, great. So hopefully I should get it back. If not, I will beat your ass, Amazon Prime. Yes, I will. Stay away from Amazon Prime. Please. I'll be taking you with me, my flip cam. I know I haven't been very good. The accent, go away. Okay, I know I haven't been very good at vlogging recently, and I will be back at doing it full time, every day, no matter what. I plan to put up some more skits on my other channel. I've got some plans, I've written out some stuff, so that should be good. Good, I like the cheese. House and philosophy. If anybody loves House. I have tons of books on my bedside at the moment. I got this one because it's new. I got this one because I'm planning on reading it eventually. This one because I'm learning stuff. This book, which is, I don't know if you can see this, says SneezyChef Top Secret. So yes, and House. So I've been reading Everybody Lies, and quite enjoying it. But basically, if you don't know, if you don't follow me on Twitter, then you probably don't know. But I have been with my co-partner starting a website, which eventually should come up, and basically it's an allergy and it's an allergy advice thing with recipes and stuff. You'll understand more once I've started, you know, really talking about it. But I've been working on the project, and I made the logo. So this is the logo. I made that, all me. If you have a eating problem, in the ways of there's something that you can't eat, or something you don't want to eat, if you're vegetarian or vegan, or if you have an intolerance or an allergy, I'd recommend you go and follow either SneezyChef's Twitter, or like our Facebook fan page, and like our YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube, and then eventually the website will come out, which is the main hub, and all of which is geared up to tell you when that's going to happen. So if you do have that, I do recommend you go and subscribe or follow, so you know when it's doing. I will talk about more of it later on when we've taken the next step, but that's what I've been working on at the moment, and which is why I've been neglecting my vlogities. So yeah, there's a cat butt. Me. Wow. Oh, so Maui, what you doing, huh? do that if you would like. If not, then fine. I can forgive you in the bottom of my heart. Watched a film tonight called Apocalypto by Mel Gibson. But it's a good film actually. I really liked it. It's about Mayans, and it's a bit gory, but it's a good storyline and kind of really is good. So yeah, so I recommend going to see that, or seeing it, buying it, whatever, if you haven't already, which you probably have, because I'm way behind on the times because that came out like years ago, I think. I think that's everything. Quick vloggity.